It is also a very opportune moment to make you remind of the fact that you are studying in a very elite institution of this country. With these words, I welcome you once again. Now I would request our HOD, Professor Mahanti, to grace this occasion with few kind words.
Let me first of all tell you that this is probably my first speech as far as this department is concerned, and I'm really happy and I feel delighted to address all of you in a social gathering, and particularly I welcome all the first year students who have come from different parts of the country, particularly the defense people. Many of you, I think, as many as more than 50% of the students are from the defense. So I am also aware of the rich tradition amongst the defense students in participating and really bringing up the what you call the department to a greater heights. So I'm sure that this new batch will also be able to do the same like the past years. And if you see the history, then all these students, particularly the defense students, they have always performed in the most exemplary manner, and also have done exceedingly well, not only in academics but also in their project work and in all possible activities. But why only defense students? All the students, as I have seen over the years, the performance of the MTech students have been very good, and particularly this center, I am seeing that the performance is really good, particularly about the student performance. So I'm sure that keeping that in mind, you will also keep the tradition, not only that, take it even higher. So with that wish, I again welcome all the first year students and their families, and I hope you will have a very good future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind and encouraging words. May I, before I invite other faculties to share their views, I would like to set the pace for the evening. My fellow classmate Anand would announce the pace of the events, and there would be a small quiz about IIT and about Reliability Engineering Center, which most of you are welcome to participate in. And I hope it will be also an eye-opener and kind of interesting for all of you. I now request Professor Naikan to grace the occasion with a few kind words.
Good evening, Professor Mohanty, Dr. Goyal, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome you all to this institute and also our small center here. This is a very right occasion to give you some advice. Because it's a rare opportunity in life you have got now to study in this institute. Lot of facilities, both academic as well as non-academic facilities, as well as extracurricular activities. So you have a wide opening. Okay. So my suggestion is try to utilize all these available opportunities and try to see who you are and what is your abilities. Try to excel in any selected field of your interest. With these few words, I welcome you once again to this center. My another advice is, we have only few faculty members here, so don't get restricted yourself only to a small area and a small section of people. So more than 400 to around 500 faculty members are here in this IIT with the different specializations and different type of work going on. So get exposed yourself to as many different or as many faculty members and other projects as much as possible, so that will give a better or wider view of the life here, as well as the wider view of the scientific developments, whatever is happening. Definitely you have chosen the right type of specialization. It is a specialization in the one hand, and also it is required in every field. So you have a specialized opportunity. At the same time, you have wide acceptability, because all systems will fail, because we are basically dealing with failures of systems. Whether it is electrical, mechanical, civil, chemical, any type of system will fail. So reliability is applicable in every field. So you have got the opening in your own areas also. So with this so-called advice, I welcome you once again, and I wish you a very happy stay here and enjoy your life and enjoy your academics. Thank you.
So, thank you, sir. May I request? Okay, sir. Thank you. I hand over the proceedings to Anand to start the functions for the evening and to start with the introductions. Anand.
Hello everybody. I would like to invite the freshers to introduce about themselves, their families, their backgrounds, and what they were doing previously from coming to this department. The sequence will start from Wing Commander Arvind Rathore. Please, sir.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Wing Commander Arvind Rathore from Indian Air Force. Prior to coming to this place, I was posted at 3 base repair depot at Chandigarh. My wife is also a service officer. She is in Air Force. She is a squadron leader. Presently, she is posted at 3 BRD Chandigarh. And first week of September, she will be joining me. I did my engineering in mechanical stream from Diyarbakh Education Institute, Agra. And presently, I am trained on helicopter systems of Indian Air Force. We are blessed with one daughter. She is 5 years old. That's all. Thank you. May I request Scholar Vijay to kindly come forward?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Squadron Leader Vijay. She's my wife Varsha, and he's our good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, I am Squadron Leader Vijay from Indian Air Force. She's my wife Varsha, and he's our 3 years old son Ayan. I am coming from Hyderabad. I am trained in Avro aircraft, that is a transport aircraft of Indian Air Force. And we were there in Hyderabad for the last 3.5 years. And that's it. I am really thrilled to come to IIT, and I'll, for the next 2 years or so, I'll see a fruitful tenure here. Thanks. And I will request Major Mago to come.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Major Bhavdeep Mago from Army. My wife Poonam joins me here. We have 2 angels. Elder one is cherry and younger one is strawberry. I'm still waiting for Cola Berry. I put in 11 years of service. I am coming from Patiala. I am from core of EME, Electronics and Mechanical Engineers. Basically, EME is looking after the entire equipment what Indian Army is handling, from a needle to a helicopter. Everything we are looking after that. And my wife, she belongs from Chandigarh. A word from herself.
Good evening, everybody. Even as he just said before, we were all quite thrilled to come here to IIT, and we look forward to having a nice time here. And I don't know, for him, he has to work hard. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now I would like to call Lieutenant Commander Vishal Salam.
Respected HOD, Professor Montel, faculty members, officers, ladies and gentlemen, good evening to you all. I am Lieutenant Commander Vishal Salam. I am presently serving in the Indian Navy. Before coming here, I was posted in Bombay. We had good 4 years in Bombay. My wife is Chanu. She belongs to Manipur, both of us from Manipur. She was working in a software company in Pune before marrying me, and after we were married, she was still working, but luckily we were blessed with a daughter. She is Matilda, going to be 11 months tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So after being blessed with my daughter, she quit her job to have a full-time looking after family affairs. For me, I had done BTech in electrical engineering. After that, I have completed Masters in Weapon System Engineering before coming here in Defense, DIIT Pune. And luckily, I got selected for MTech in Reliability Studies in IIT Kharagpur. We are so looking forward to have a good time here. I'm sure I may have to work a little harder, but I'll ensure that my family have a good time here. Thank you all. Now may I request Commander Mundir.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Lieutenant Commander Parmjeet Singh Mandel. She is my wife, Mrs. Karam Mandel. We both belong to Chandigarh. I joined Navy 6 years back, coming from Bombay. I was posted in a unit called EMA, that is Electrical Drives and Modification Authority. I am an electrical officer of the Indian Navy, and we both hope to have a wonderful tenure here in IIT.
Now I would like to call Hemlata Barina.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Hemlata Pari. I'm working in DRDO for the last 4 years and posted in Bangalore. I'm born and brought in Rourkela, and my father was retired person. That's all.
Reddy, please.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, I am G. Redappa Reddy from AP. I did my BTech in VIT University in Electronics and Communication Department. That's it. Thank you. No girlfriend.
Marriage.
Raju.
Good evening, everyone. I am Raju Nalluri from Andhra Pradesh. I have done my BTech in Triple E stream in Bapatla Engineering College. Hope I would have a nice day. She got married.
Dhananjaya.
Good evening, one and all. Myself, I am Dhananjay. I am from Vizag. My home branch is ECE. My father in Vizag. Shillong. My mother is housewife.
Now I am.
Good evening, everybody. I am Ryan Homing. I am from Tripura. I did my BTech in Production Engineering from NIT.
Now there will be a quiz session for all the freshers. I would like Joy sir. Okay, fine. We have our Chaturvedi sir here. Please, if you want to speak.
Respected Professor Mohanty sir, I would like to see Professor Michael, Dr. Neeraj, and my students, friends, and ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry for being late for almost 1.5 hours. And I was thinking that everything will be over by the time I reach here. Unfortunately, I got some glimpses of the event. Looking at that freshers welcome, it is now almost 1.5 months old. So they have, the freshers are not freshers now. I was just thinking that it should have been the month of, once they join here, within a week or so. But somehow it has got delayed. And the decoration wise, if I see, that is much better than the earlier when we do such kind of freshers welcomes or farewell. But this time the people have done, or your seniors have done a great job. Say within a day or two they have done such a nice decoration. So I think my seniors and my other colleagues have already given you the nice pieces of advice how to conduct in IITs. You are going to carry a greater responsibility as far as the courses are concerned, or other responsibilities with respect to the families, because many of the people are, say, married. And in fact, I was expecting at the initial stages that we'll get more number of freshers students, but once the results were out, finally we will get only 4 students. Of course, we are fortunate enough that we have been supported by the defense and other sponsored organizations. So I think on behalf of the center and my colleague, I welcome you all. I think your 2 years stay is going to be a fruitful stay, and you're going to be back with new knowledge, new, new things in your life, which are definitely from the academic point of view are going to be applicable to in the area in which you are working. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to call all the new PhD guys, starting from Mustafa sir.
Good evening, sir. I am Sajjad Faisal Mustafa. You call me as Mustafa. I am basically electronics graduate. I have done my BTech in electronics engineering. Then I have done my MTech electrical engineering from IIT Bombay. Now here I have joined. I am working in SRO Satellite Center, Bangalore, in electrical engineering group. Here I have joined for the PhD program under Professor Neeraj Kumar Goyal. Hope my stay will be very nice here. Thank you very much.
Raja, please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rajan from Chennai. I did my electronics and communication engineering from Chennai, and I did my masters in communication systems. That's all.
Now I would like to call Rajkumar. We all know Rajkumar, but we are giving freshers him a big plate. Please, Rajkumar.
Good evening, professors. Welcoming you all freshers. My name is Rajkumar. I am from Tamil Nadu, and I completed my BTech from EC and MTech from Industrial Engineering, course from Anna University. Welcoming you all. Thank you.
Now we will start off with the quiz. Joy sir, please.
Sir, please say question and go, sir. Question and answer.
Please stand up and hold this.
Full video.
Yeah.
Okay.
Please stand up and hold.
We can take.
Actually, we were thinking as to what would be the best way to entertain all of you. So somebody said, why not, through this process of entertainment, get some facts and figures about this institution and also about the center, permanently ingrained in your memory. So with this aim, Anand has conveniently puts the mic to me because I framed the questions that I asked him. Some of the answers even I do not know. I would love to know them. But then he seemed to have pushed it. So in case you can come up with the answer, you get a chocolate. And some of the questions will be open to the entire house. Some questions will be for the new batch. Okay, this is pertaining to the central library. I repeat, pertaining to the central library. In which hall number do you get the books pertaining exclusively to reliability engineering?
Number 6.
Major sir.
बोल देंगे पता नहीं था. अच्छा, let me wait. I cannot give so many chocolates. But what I can do is
Major sir.
now that was a good answer. But now I would hold on to the particular section in the. You will have to name. There are two sections there. It's a 3-digit number.
402.
No.
No.
But last two shells.
No, I would see in the library it's like
It's 6 series.
126.20 or 127. 126 is one particular shelf, right? Row of shelves. So you have to tell me that particular row of shelves
6 series.
because this is what.
Even I don't.
001.
Who said 620?
No. It's 6
Who said
series, yeah.
620?
Any number followed by 6.
Rajkumar. I think he deserves a good applause. Okay, this is pertaining to the Nescafe shop, Nescafe coffee outlets. How many? You can get chai, coffee in California also, in Tikka also, and at many places. But there are few Nescafe branded shop. I think they have opened here, and you will have to tell me how many branded Nescafe outlets are there.
Two.
You are okay.
Three.
Who said
Four.
No, somebody said 3.
3. I said 3. Wing Commander Rathod. Wing Commander Rathod.
Acha, tell me the location because see if 2 is not correct, you will obviously say 3.
No, I said 3, but I do not know the location.
Don't
tell
me.
This was not the question. Question was how many? 3. He deserves a chocolate.
But I would make it more deserving by making people tell me where the
Passing marks are only 3.
Yeah. Anybody? It has to be from the freshers.
One year CSC department. 1 year CSC department.
एक वो जो यहाँ पर हमने रजिस्ट्रेशन किया था उसके पीछे से
Yes. Near the VG.
If आप आंसर देंगे तो how will I give collective chocolates?
Vikramshila.
Okay, I go to the next question then. Okay, ready.
1 year Vikramshila.
1 year Vikramshila.
Vijishom.
Okay, Vijisom is 1. Next.
Vinod Gupta.
Oh, वही है वो.
CSC department.
Okay, CSC department is the second. Third.
Main building. Main building.
Yes. Okay, I give it to Reddy. At least he said 2. It is behind the central library. Just behind the main.
Yes, come on. You give it to us.
Okay, again pertaining to the central library. This time the faculty.
अरे you wanna shoot?
Of, central library. Who is